Alright guys, welcome to the new video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to use the Street View on your iPhone or Android based phone on the Google Maps application. Okay, so this method works for any iPhone or any Android based phone. Okay, so first of all you want to open your Google Maps application. Now we open it, so here, we go to the location we want to see the Street View on, and a lot of people know how to do it on the computer, but how to do it on the phone. So on the phone it is not as straightforward, however still pretty simple. So for example, I want to see what it is in the city center right over here, for example. So how to do it? First I need to choose a location. I need to tap on it and hold it for a second. Now after doing this, you will see that here appears this small little square icon, and if I press on it, it opens the Street View, just like this. It is so simple, and here you can choose where to go, where to see. It works exactly how it would work on a computer, however, just the opening phase is slightly different. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.